Are you looking for the best water tables for toddlers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best water tables for toddlers. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Step 2 Spill and Splash Seaway Water Table. Step 2 Spill and Splash Seaway is an 11-piece water play table with an umbrella that shields kids from UV. Thus, it is not only one of the safest of the bunch, but also the most dependable. Here are some of the best attributes that you will appreciate. First, its two-tier design provides 2 levels of water activities for twice the fun. Its unique water effect, for instance, is a hit with kids who love spending time outdoors. The floating toys and water scoops on offer are fun as well. Step 2 can accommodate up to 3 kids. The interactive design of the Step 2 Spill and Splash Seaway is one of its key strengths. However, if you want a water table that will serve your kids for years, it is also one of the best. The thick and BPA-free plastic used to make it is not only safe but also durable. All other elements are also durable and designed to fit the tiny hands of babies. Your kids will spend hours on one every day. Step 2 Spill and Splash Seaway is a stylish 2-tier water table with an ample play area for more than 3 kids. It is durable and 100% safe. Moving on at number 4. We have the Little Tikes Mermaid Island Wavemaker Water Table. Perfect for kids aged 2 years and older, Little Tikes Mermaid Island Wavemaker is a USA-made water table with many stunning attributes. If you want a long-lasting toy that your child will enjoy playing on for years, read on. The fine unique playstations of this water table are large and packed with toys that fascinate children. It also has a multi-color design made of thick, BPA-free plastic. Thus, kids can lean on it without irritation and/or it toppling over. The interactive toys of the Little Tikes Mermaid Island Wavemaker are beneficial in many ways. Apart from entertaining kids, they improve motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Your kid will also learn how to grip items from a young age and stay active. It is also a suitable table for imaginative role-play at home or school. Little Tikes Mermaid Island is a versatile water table for role-play. It is durable, easy to set up, and comes with many fun elements. At number 3, we have the Little Tikes Anchors Away Pirate Ship. With Little Tikes Anchors Away in your backyard, you will have a little pirate ship in your backyard for kids. Even though it is plastic, it has many realistic textures that boost its outlook. The material is durable and lacks chemicals such as BPA, which makes it 100% safe for playing. Thus, while the best Minecraft toys and the best Paw Patrol toys are cheaper, it delivers the best experience at home. Little Tikes Anchors Away is one of the few water tables for kids with a pump that keeps water flowing. Even though you will need an electric connection for the system to work, it is worthwhile. The spinning features, anchor, and toys add a unique touch to the water table and boost the overall experience of its users. The longevity, realism, and safety of the Little Tikes Anchors Away table make it a suitable play item for kids. It also has a sturdy design, plastic, with a pump that keeps water in constant motion. At number 2, we have the Step 2 Lazy Maze River Run Water Table. Water-based toys such as the best Aqua Doodle mats are in demand due to their fun and safe designs. They are also safe and beneficial to the health of kids, as they promote activity. The Step 2 Lazy Maze River Water Table is a tad better as it offers more playing options. Kids can stand on the sides and play with the water. It also has a slide and a plethora of floating balls, toys that will keep your kid engaged for long. Step 2 is ideal for boys, girls. Step 2 Lazy Maze has a no-leak design that does not create a mess while in use. Thus, you can set it up on a patio or a pouch without water damaging your floors. It also has a drain for easy cleaning and a sturdy plastic structure that lasts for many years. Step 2 Lazy Maze is a leak-free water table for kids with fun toys, floating, and a long-lasting plastic frame. It is easy to set up and comfortable height for all toddlers, boys, girls, who can stand. And finally at number 1. We have the Little Tikes Sandy Lagoon Sand and Water Table. The Sandy Lagoon from Little Tikes has an exclusive 2-in-1 design consisting of a water pool and a sandbox. Thus, it offers diverse play options for children at home, which is amazing. The table is thick plastic with a blue, gray, and lime green theme. It has sturdy feet and a comfortable height for standing toddlers. Little Tikes Sandy Lagoon enables character play with friends and/or siblings, as it is large. Your kids will not jostle for space to play with water or sand. It also has inner tubes and floating characters that make playtime at home even more fun to kids of all ages. The snap-on design of the Little Tikes Sandy Lagoon Sand and Water Table is easy to set up. Most adults can set it up in minutes without using tools or referring to the instructions in the pack. It is also easy to clean, as it has a drain plug for flushing contents. Little Tikes Sandy Lagoon is a 2-in-1 play item for children made of durable and safe plastic. It is easy to build and has a sturdy and comfortable height for standing toddlers, up to 4 at a time. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.